What the haters talking about?
What's up, family? On April 11th, Dante Wright, a 20-year-old black man, was stopped by the police for a traffic violation in Brooklyn Center, Minnesota. That traffic stop quickly escalated into an incident that ultimately cost Dante his life. The police was trying to cuff him, and he turned to try to get into his car and drive off. Officer Kim Potter pulls out her service weapon and fired upon Dante, effectively ending his life. She claimed she thought she had pulled her taser. Only one little problem with that. That taser weighed ounces. Her gun weighed pounds. Big difference between ounces and pounds, wouldn't you say? In the wake of this incident, the town explodes in the protest. In fact, people come from around the country to show support for the family. Another black man in America gunned down by the trigger-happy police. So, what do the police do in the aftermath? After there's a big outcry, they charge Kim Potter with manslaughter. Now they got her house like it's Fort Knox. They got concrete barricades, fenced. The house is got a fence all the way around. They're like, and they got police everywhere, just all hanging out. See, they're sending out a message to the public that we're better than y'all. Yeah, we know that y'all pay our salaries and we're supposed to be serving y'all, but our lives are more important than y'all lives. They don't even treat people that are in witness protection that well. They got signs out on the fence talking about do not enter. They got no parking signs all up and down the streets. The neighbors are pissed. The neighbors are, hey man, they extra, they doing too much. And these are the white neighbors that are saying this also. They doing too much. I think it's overkill. That's something they're used to though, right? Overkill. They really think that they're above the law. And this is because they got all of that protection. They got the local officials, the state officials, they got government officials. They got that, man. Your congressmen and women, your state reps, your city council members, your local prosecutors, the judges, all of them, man. All of them offer that protection to them. Yeah. So you need to think about that the next time you go to the polls, especially on the local end. Stop looking at Congress as just one big body and start holding the people that you can hold accountable directly. Yeah. Get at them. I don't appreciate all the extra protection. What's going to happen, going to happen. That's right. One thing I will say, I can see the logic in her being trapped inside of a cage. No more talk.
What the haters talking about?